So hi, in this video we'll see how to solve a Pyraminx cube. Okay, so before solving it, we'll see what are the names of all the pieces. So this piece on the top, this piece and this piece. So all these three pieces are corner piece, and this piece, so all the pieces which are on the corners, these four pieces, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are corner pieces. Now this piece and this piece, so all the three pieces which are blue right now, these are center pieces, center, 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 and all these three pieces on the sides, this one and this one, so these three pieces are edge pieces. Okay, so let's start solving it. Okay, so first thing that we will be doing while solving the Pyraminx cube is making this shape. So making or solving blue centers. So blue here, blue here, blue here, and these corner pieces are all blue. So this is the first thing that we want to make, and this is a blue center. Okay, so how do we solve it? Let's jumble it. Okay, so first we will pick three corner pieces in which there is a blue color. So this corner piece has a blue color, this one has a blue color, and this one has a blue color, and this one doesn't have a blue color. Okay, so we'll keep that side in front in which we have all the three blue corner pieces, this one and this one. So if we bring all of them in the front like this, so now we know this will be our blue side because all the three blue corner pieces are on the same layer, the front layer for us. So now next step is, so in my case this blue center piece is already solved. If it was not solved, if it was like this maybe, so we'll just move this layer multiple times and stop only when you have this blue center piece in front. Similarly we'll do for this centerpiece also. We'll just do R multiple times. So we'll do it until we have this centerpiece in front. So similarly we'll do it on this side also. So now we have all the three center pieces in front. We'll again solve these corner pieces. So after solving the blue center, we'll keep the blue center side on bottom and just rotate this middle layer like this, and we'll see this yellow centers are solved, blue centers are this green centers are solved, and orange centers are solved. So all the four sides have the solved centers now. So once all the four sides have solved blue or solved centers, we'll solve the blue side now. So for that we'll keep the blue side on bottom again, and now find a blue edge piece in the middle layer and see. So let's say I've picked this one. So this edge piece has blue and green. So I'll bring this edge piece in green layer like this, in the green layer, because I know this is green layer because it has green centers, and keep the blue side or blue color in front, facing front. And then if this blue piece is on the right side, we'll do U, R, U prime and R prime like this. So see if this part is solved. So again we'll find a blue edge piece in this middle layer So I found this one. So we'll see in this blue edge piece what is the other color. So the other color is orange. So we have already brought it in the orange layer. Okay, this is a yellow layer, so we'll bring it in the orange layer, like this, orange layer. And now keep the blue facing front, and if it is on the right side, we'll do U, R, U prime and R prime. See, two sides are done, two edges done. We'll solve the third one now. So again, this is the edge piece, blue edge piece we have, and the other color in this is yellow. So we have already brought it in the yellow layer, but we want to keep the blue facing front. So we'll keep the blue facing front, and now the blue color is on the left side, not right side. So we'll do U prime, L prime, U and L, like this. So now we have solved the complete blue layer. The complete blue layer is solved.